Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will show you how to safeguard templates from being changed in BoldSign. In BoldSign, a template is a pre-designed document that includes a specific layout, formatting, and content structure. Therefore, preventing template changes plays an important role in safeguarding template documents against unauthorized modifications after they are created. This limits the ability to add, replace, or delete files, include additional recipients, or modify the document message when using the template. These measures ensure the integrity and confidentiality of sensitive template documents. Let's consider a scenario where a sales manager is tasked with creating a template document for a contract proposal. After creating the template, the sales manager needs to share it with sales representatives to finalize client contract. To maintain consistency in contract proposals, the sales manager ensures that sales representatives cannot modify the template. This restriction maintains control over the content proposals and minimizes errors. Let me demonstrate how the sales manager would do that. First, access the BoldSign application page. Next, click the Create New button and choose Create New Template. This takes me to the Prepare Template page. In the Add Template Details section, enter the title and description of the template in the respective fields. Once done, I upload the sales contract proposal by clicking the Browse button in the Add Files section. Next, I move to the Add Roles section. Here I need to add roles for clients. I enter client as the role. I create the template for saving purposes and not for sending it to any particular recipient. Therefore, I am leaving the default recipient name and email fields unfilled. These details can be filled in when using the template. Once that is done, I scroll down to the Document section and enter the document message in the Message field. The provided details above are correct, and the sales manager doesn't want the sales representative to change any detail in the template. To prevent template changes, I move to the Template Usage Settings section. Here, I disable options that allow the sender to make any changes to the attachment file, add recipients, or modify the document message. I check my changes once and click the Next button to navigate to the Configure Field page. This is where I set up the form fields. I drag and drop the name and signature fields for name and signature. I then save the template by clicking the Save Template button. The template is now saved successfully, and it can be shared or used at any time. After the sales manager has created the template, he needs to share the contract proposal template with the sales representatives. He also needs to restrict the sales representatives from editing the template. Let me show you how to do that now. I locate the template that was just created. I hover over the template and click the context menu. A list of options is displayed. I then select the Share option. On the pop-up dialog box, I choose the team that I want to share my template with. In this case, the sales representatives team, and click the Add button. When sharing the template, select one of the two options, Can Use and Can Edit. Since I don't want this template to be edited by the sales representatives, I select the Can Use option. I then click the Share button. Now, the template has been shared successfully. Let's switch to one of the sales representatives' side and see how the template is protected from changes. First, I access the sales representative's BoldSign application page, click the Templates option, and choose Share Templates. This takes me to the Share Templates page, where a list of shared templates is displayed. I locate the template. I then hover over it and click the context menu. A list of options appears. Since the sales manager has restricted permission to use only, the Edit Template option is unavailable here. Next, use the template by clicking the Use Template option. This takes me to the Prepared Document for Signing page. The template is protected from changes. As you can see, I cannot edit the title and description of the template. In the Add Files section, I cannot add attachments or delete existing files. In the Add Recipients section, I cannot add additional roles or recipients field. The common message for recipients is also protected from modification or deletion. I then enter the required client's details and send a template document to the client for signing. That summarizes how to protect your templates from unauthorized changes when sharing them with team members in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.